Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling fine, full of energy, and wrapped in confidence. Whether you're sipping coffee, riding through your commute, or just relaxing on your couch, you've landed in the perfect spot. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your ultimate destination for everything stylish, feminine, and fashion forward. Today's video is all about a footwear style that continues to dominate runways, red carpets, and street style across the globe: stiletto high heel mules. These shoes are more than just footwear. They're a bold statement of elegance, power, and flair. So sit back, relax, and let's strut into the world of stilettos together. What makes stiletto high heel mules special? There are heels, and then there are stiletto high heel mules. These sleek, open-back beauties are a blend of modern edge and timeless glamour. With their slim, pencil-thin heels and easy slip-on style, they embody both sophistication and ease. Whether you're heading to a rooftop dinner, brunch with friends, or an upscale event, stiletto mules instantly elevate your outfit. Design and construction. Stiletto mules are known for their open heel and usually pointed or almond-shaped toe. The stiletto heel, usually ranging between 3.5 inches to 5 inches, is narrow and tall, designed to elongate your legs and add a high-impact finish. The absence of a back or ankle strap gives them a distinctive, daring silhouette. Some come with padded insoles for comfort, others with cushioned arch support. Advanced designs even include flexible soles and hidden shock absorption for long wear support. Material diversity. One of the greatest things about stiletto mules is the range of materials used to craft them. Here's what's trending: genuine leather, long-lasting, premium, and gives a classic appeal. Suede, soft, elegant, perfect for fall and winter styles. Patent leather, glossy and dramatic for nights out. PVC/transparent, futuristic and chic. Velvet or satin, romantic and luxurious for special occasions. Embellished fabric, sequins, pearls, or metallic studs, perfect for glam looks. Each material tells its own story and suits different fashion moods and occasions. Color trends for 2025. Color is key when making a style statement. For stiletto mules, 2025 is all about diversity. Nude and beige tones, subtle, versatile, and perfect for all seasons. Crimson red and emerald green, bold colors for strong personalities. Lilac and sky blue, ideal for spring freshness. Silver, gold, and rose gold for glamour nights and wedding looks. Animal prints, leopard and snakeskin prints are here to stay. Pastels and neons. If you love standing out, neon greens and oranges are your zone. Occasions to flaunt them. One reason stiletto mules are a wardrobe essential is their flexibility across occasions. Here's how you can style them. For office looks, choose black leather mules with a mid-height heel. Pair with cigarette pants or pencil skirts. For casual chic, go with suede mules in soft colors, paired with denim jeans or culottes. For evenings and dates, glittery or patent leather stilettos with a fitted dress or gown create an elegant silhouette. For parties and weddings, choose embellished mules with rhinestones, crystals, or metallic shine. Celebrity and influencer influence. From Hollywood to Instagram, stiletto mules are adored by style icons. Celebrities like Kim Kardashian, Bella Hadid, Priyanka Chopra, and Zendaya are often spotted in high-heeled mules. Influencers worldwide are pairing them with everything from cord sets to saris, showing how truly global and adaptable this shoe style is. Runway to real life. Designers like Manolo Blahnik, Christian Louboutin, Jimmy Choo, and Gucci have taken mules to the next level, featuring them in collections that blend runway sophistication with daily usability. Fast fashion brands like Zara, H&M, and Steve Madden offer affordable takes without compromising too much on elegance. That means you don't need to break the bank to stay in trend. How to style them like a pro. Want to get the most out of your stiletto mules? Here are expert tips. 1. Show some ankle. Cropped pants or midi skirts let the shoe shine. 2. Balance the look. Avoid overly baggy clothes unless you're going for contrast. 3. Accessorize smartly. Match your bag or nails with your mule's color for cohesion. 4. Confidence is key. These are powerful shoes. Own the space you walk into. Comfort and fit guide. Let's be honest, stilettos can be intimidating, but they don't have to hurt if you pick the right fit. Always test for heel stability before purchasing. Choose sizes that offer a snug but not tight fit. Too loose, and your foot will slip. Gel pads or cushion inserts can make a massive difference. For beginners, start with 2.5-3-inch heels and gradually go higher. Caring for your stiletto mules. Want to keep them flawless? Here's your maintenance guide. Leather/PVC. Wipe with a clean, slightly damp cloth. Suede. Use a suede brush and spray protector before first use. Storage. Keep them in individual dust bags or boxes. Travel. Use shoe bags with padding to protect the heel and toe box. Budget versus luxury. What to choose? If you're working on a tight budget, there are beautiful options available from Charles & Keith, ASOS, and Public Desire. You'll get the look and comfort without spending a fortune. If you're going luxury, brands like John Vito Rossi, Tom Ford, and Amina Mwadi offer artistic designs with quality and exclusivity. These are investment pieces for those who live and breathe fashion. What's new in 2025 Stiletto Mules? The fashion calendar reveals exciting new elements. Geometric and architectural heels, think spiral, cube, and bubble heels. Transparent or semi-sheer styles for a futuristic look. Removable accessories, charms, straps, or ankle chains. Eco-friendly designs, vegan leather and recyclable materials. Brands are merging sustainability with style, and it's refreshing. And that brings us to the end of today's fashion journey. Stiletto high heel mules are the ultimate symbol of bold fashion and fierce femininity. With their signature backless silhouette and razor-sharp heels, they effortlessly bring drama and elegance to any outfit. Whether you're stepping into a cocktail party, a business event, or a casual dinner date, these heels command attention and demand respect. Their beauty lies not just in their height, but in the way they transform posture, elongate legs, and empower the wearer with unshakable confidence. Designers around the globe experiment with vibrant colors, clear straps, animal prints, metallic tones, and sculpted heels, ensuring there's a perfect pair for every personality and style. The versatility of stiletto mules allows them to complement wide-legged trousers, elegant gowns, bodycon dresses, high-slit skirts, or even ripped jeans, turning every look into a fashion statement. If you loved exploring these stunning stiletto mules as much as we loved curating them for you, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your stylish squad, and let us know in the comments which mule style made your heart skip a beat. We're always excited to hear from you. Your feedback inspires our next big style guide. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the hottest trends in women's fashion. This is Fashion Forward, where elegance walks hand in hand with confidence. Until next time, walk tall, shine bright, and stay unapologetically stylish. Bye for now, Fashion Fam. Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling fine, full of energy and